Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. I'm going to be covering the stock market explained. Why do trading tools cost money in 2020? And the simple answer is data costs money. You have a lot of different APIs involved, and an API is basically something that helps feed data to the given platform, whether it's a website, whether it's an app, what have you. And to get that live data and or otherwise, the developer has to actually pay for that cost on their end. There's a lot of different tools. I'm not going to get too much into details about that. I just wanted to give a quick overview aspect that essentially an API costs money, and each API might only have a specific type of data that it feeds to the developer that can feed to you through the platform. Some of that data is free, unfortunately, most of it is not, and a lot of them charge by more of a query basis than anything else. So if the developer is getting thousands of queries in a given day, that's going to cost them a lot of money on their end. And that is where some of the cost associated with the month-to-month, where they want to make it as a business, but they also want to, be realistic that these things cost money. They are not free. They pay for licenses and APIs and other data sources in order to get that information out to you in a live manner. You have not only that, you have the cost of hosting for the website and or app. That is a very, very big cost depending on the size of the website and or server. So as the given website gets bigger for the trading platform, that's going to cost them more monies down the road. That's going to cost them, $10 here, $20 here, upwards of $80 a month here based on this. But this is just like a base level of hosting. Now, if they get bigger and bigger and bigger, it can add up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars monthly, just to make sure that that page is up almost 100% of the time for you. So you can always access the platform no matter what the given time in the day. You've, of course, have to factor in that this is development costs. So you're going to have to, as the developer works and gets larger, they're going to have to hire more developers potentially, and that can cost them monies on top of the time constraints and effort that they're putting in to build a platform for you, to make it ease of use for you, to give you the fancy graphical interface and all of that fun stuff. Of course, not only that, but as they grow, they're going to have to hire things such as customer support. They're going to have to hire a marketing team to continue to grow the platform to its best potential. All of these things cost money for the developer. So it all comes back to, why does the given trading platform cost money? This is exactly why. Going into a little bit more details here, the Trade UI platform costs money. You have the black box stocks that cost money. You have a flow algo and scans that cost money. They all focus on different specific things, but in the end, it costs money. And that is why these platforms such as Trade UI charge the monies that they charge, because in the end, there's costs for them and then there's costs for you, but you get the lighter end because you get all this real-time data, you get all the fancy user interface, all of that kind of exciting stuff. If you want to check out more about these platforms, they'll be in the